guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Shinin. Thank you so much for joining us. Today's video, we are going to be testing out this Glamlite Burger palette, girl. Wanted to do this video because I love the pizza palette and I wanted to give the burger palette a try. And I really do love the packaging. It's just to die for. And I'm gonna show you guys real quick. This is the packaging that it comes in, and this is such a beautiful package. What really made me laugh about this palette is the inside, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Like, you just, you know, you get the burger wrap and everything in here, girl. This is so cool. Whoa, this feels like a bun. I don't know how they come up with this thing, but this is crazy. Now, I like this packaging more than the pizza palette. I feel like this one is a little more soft, okay? I don't even think I had opened it before, but this is gorgeous. Like, whoa. Let me show you guys. This is all the shades. Let me just take this thing off because the reflection, you guys can see. This is beautiful. I love me a good burger, okay? Not no McDonald's, not no Burger King, not no Wendy's. No, ew. If I have to get a burger, the only burgers that I will get is from Five Guys. That was before. I don't really eat Five Guys anymore, but Five Guys is number one place that I will go and get a burger. In here, they got pickles, mustard, bacon. We have bacon again. Sweet potato fries, 1000 elan. They got cheddar cheese, they got blue cheese, avocado, red onions, onion rings, barbecue sauce, ketchup, spinach, and lettuce. I mean, they have more toppings that you could put, but I guess that is the shades that they want to put in this palette. Now, this retail for $40, so we're gonna go online on the Glamlite website and see what this palette is about, because I'm excited. I love food. That's why I'm excited. So this burger palette contains 16 shades inspired by the most popular and delicious burger topping and size. The ridiculously tasty palette contains 3 electrifying neon shades, 2 diamond colors, 4 stunning shimmers, and 7 ultra pigmented buttery mattes with most insane pop formula we have created to date. I'm gonna give you guys swatches at the end of the video. You guys can see. Let's just see if this holds up as the pizza palette, because that palette, I really loved it and it was very, very pigmented. So I did my face already. The foundation I'm wearing, this is from Pat McGrath, one of her new foundation that is out. Okay, so to prep the eyes, we are going to be going with this concealer. This is from Juvia's Place. This is number 10. My eyes is prepped already, but I just feel like I need a little bit more of that concealer. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it where the crease is at. I had this foundation on my face all day. The concealer is a little bit wear off, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. So I went off camera to play around with the shade a little bit, and no, I like them. I just use my favorite toppings like I did with the other palette. I wanted to try out sweet potato fries because I love me some sweet potato fries, girl. I use that shade on the crease. I think I use it all over my eyelid. And I use another shade, which is barbecue sauce. And I took barbecue sauce and I just put a little bit over there. But we're gonna use barbecue sauce in a few, but we're gonna go ahead and use sweet potato fries first. And I have a lot to say about this palette, but I'm gonna say it at the end of the video, and you guys have to stay tuned for that because it will be juicy. Sweet potato fries, which is this shade right here. It's like a mustard shade. Have you guys ever tried out your fries in your burger? I know I'm weird, but I like it. So I'm gonna take that shade and just pack it on. This shade gonna go all over the lid. I didn't want to use like the green shade, spinach. I just have a problem using green shade. Me and green shade do not mix. I just think that it looked very musty on my complexion. That's why I really don't use green shade too much. So I'm gonna take that and just pack it on. With this shade, I love it. It's very pigmented, and I wish they had like more matte shade than shimmer shade like the pizza palette. This one is okay. So while I'm packing this on, When I'm done, I'm just going to blend it out in a few. I just love it. So I went in with 1000 Island. What is 1000 Island? I never heard about this topping before. If you guys know about 1000 Island, let me know. Maybe because I never put that on my burger, so I don't know. But we're gonna use that shade. This shade here is a shimmer shade. I really don't like this shade too much because it's a little bit patchy. Okay, but I'm gonna take my brush. This brush is from Beige Cosmetics, and I'm using my spray. Now this is like a more like a pinky shade, but it's showing up a little bit gold on my eyelid. But still, we're gonna take that shade here, and I think I just dust it off a little bit. I just want my lid to have a little glitter. It's a beautiful shade, but you got to be careful because it will show up a little bit patchy on your lid if you pick up too much and place on the lid. So you want to make sure that you put a little bit at a time. Okay, that is what I did. Very quick. Then I wanted to use a bright shade in my tear dot to bring out the shade a little bit because I'm not using too much bright shade. I wanted to go in with cheddar, but I love cheese. Everybody loves cheese. If you don't like cheese, girl, you're missing out as well. So we're gonna take cheddar, which is this shade here. I take that shade and I put it right in the middle of my tear dot right here. I think I wet my brush as well, so I'm gonna do that. So once you wet the brush, it pops more. So you wanna do that before you place it on your lid. Okay, so what I did in the bottom, I used my favorite primer from LA Girl. I think this is like $1 or $2 from Ice Skate House. It is very creamy. It's good for the lid as well, but I like to use it under here because sometimes the shade really don't pop. I'm gonna take this brush here. This is from TRENDY Cosmetics. This is the E17 eyeshadow buffer brush, and I'm gonna take ketchup. Now I love me some ketchup. Extra ketchup on your burger, girl. Woo! You listen, I'm a fat girl, okay? We're gonna take ketchup, which is this red shade here, and that shade is very pigmented. And also I'm gonna take it and like buff it out with the primer. And after I buff it out, I'm just going to pat it in. Also, I'm bringing it out a little bit so it can meet in the inner corner here. So I am getting a little bit of fallout. You see how like it's really bright. I'm gonna take one of my clean brushes. This is from Beige Cosmetics, and I'm just going to blend that out in the bottom. I'm gonna go back in with that shade again and put on my lid. I feel like I'm missing a little bit. I think I forgot to even use barbecue sauce. I think I used barbecue sauce a little bit over here. I don't think I put it, so I'm just going to put that right here. All right guys, so we are completely done with this look. So this is what I came up with. I wanted to do something very soft, nothing loud or anything like that, and I really do love the shades that I use in the palette. Now I'm not sure for the shades, so let's go ahead and swatch them. Let me swatch this one. Wow. So this one here is Pickles. I love this shade. So we're gonna go in with Mustard. I love mustard as well. Also, let me just go with Bacon. Let me just swatch the 4 shades. These are the first 4 shades. I do like them. Now they are really pigmented. I love Red Onions. That one is very, very pigmented. I love Cheddar. Cheddar is really good on the lid as well. The one that I use on my eyelid, this is the one that I use. Let's see, this is 1000 Island. That one is very patchy. It's a little soft in the pan, but you have to be very careful. I try my best to build it up. This is the most I could go. They're all okay. The one I'm really disappointed is avocado. That's why I don't really use green shades, because I don't know, they don't really look good on my eyelid. That's why I don't really mess with green shades like that. Now we're gonna go in with the last row. That one is from lettuce to barbecue sauce. These are the last 4 shades in the bottom, and I really do love them. They blend out okay. On the eyelid, I did get a little fallout with the shimmer shade that I used. On my lid, they blend out really nice. They are not patchy. There was no fallout except the shimmer shade. Now when I swatch them, I am getting a lot of fallout. I'm not saying that the burger palette is not good. I just prefer the pizza palette because it swatched much better than the burger palette. I get too much fallout with the burger palette. That is the only thing I can say about this, but I really do love the shades. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more reviews, and I would definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.